Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are looking for a good Yoruba movie to watch this week, let me recommend this movie Oba Eto, and this movie is showing on Adeka's TV. This movie is full of drama, power, betrayal and family conflict. From the beginning, it grabs your attention, and just when you think you know where the story is going, something unexpected happens. What I liked most about this movie is that it did not drag. Every scene added something to the story, and the suspense kept me watching because I wanted to know what would happen next. Overall, I really enjoyed this movie. If you love Yoruba movies with family drama, secret and plenty of twists, then you should watch Oba Eto. For me, I will give it an 8.5 out of 10. So guys, have you watched Oba Eto yet? If you have, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And don't forget to follow for more Yoruba movie reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.